need to record this. Okay, so I need to record this on how to do problem 8-6A. Okay, so what we have here is this whole list of things that we need to put into our journal. So January 5th, right here, we sold $34.50, so it goes to accounts receivable for $34.50. It is a sell, so it's recorded as sales revenue, $34.50. And then February 2nd, there's a notes receivable because they gave us a promissory note for $34.50, and accounts receivable for $34.50 because we accepted that for a balance due. That's why it's accounts receivable and not sales revenue. February 12th, we sold 11,800 of merchandise, and we gave them a 2-month 9% note. And so February 12th is notes receivable and sales revenue because it was a sell. February 26th, we sold 12,100. So it was accounts receivable and sales revenue because it was a sell. And then April 5th, we accepted a note from the one that was just on the 26th. So it's notes receivable and accounts receivable because it wasn't a new sell, it was this sell. April 12th, we collected the Cato's money. So Cato's money is this one right here, the 11,800. So we collected 11,800 notes receivable right here. The interest 177, the cash 11,977 is those two numbers added up. Your numbers will be different. The way to get the interest revenue is to take the note. See, that was Cato's for 11. So you take the 11,800, you times it by 0.09 for 9%, and then you times that by 2 divided by 12. That's how you get the 177 in my example. And if you just do it all together in your computer, in your calculator, it'll work. And then on June 2nd, and also that was a 2-month period of time. On June 2nd, we received money from Ryan Company in full. So again, we got a notes receivable for $34.50, interest revenue of $92 in my example. Cash was those two added up. And again, it's $34.50 times 0.08 in my example, times by 4 divided by 12. And that's how you get to the $92 interest revenue. And that again was a 4-month period of time. If the times are different, you have to recalculate to what they are. And then on June 15th, we sold merchandise and we gave them a note. So we would put notes receivable and sales revenue since it was a new sell and a new note. And that is how you do problem 8-6A in our homework. I hope you could see what I was talking about. I will put this up like this. So you should be able to see all of the numbers that I was talking about if you couldn't see them before. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.